So we're going to be talking about this today. It's from Kreg Jig and it's a self-pin jig, and I'm going to do an unboxing of this. I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to daisy chain them and put them together to show you how they're modular, and I'll give you my honest opinions about it and if you should buy it or have it around in your shop. So if that interests you, stick around because we're going to get started. So this is the jig. It has, I love this because it has a metal insert, which it prevents things from wear and tear. And on the back here, you can actually hold all these tools. So let me show you, that's kind of a nice storage solution. You can take it, and it also stores your tools when you're not using them. You can just put it in here and you're good to go. So this right here is a fence guide, and it's really easy to work with. You simply lock the little side thing into the keyhole, slide it down, and then your piece of wood fits in there just like this. And then you can drill your slots in right there and just slide everything down. That's really nice. This right here is a pin that you're gonna insert and hold it. So when you wanna move it down after you drilled your hole, you're gonna slide it down, drill more, slide it down, drill more, and reset this every time. And I'm gonna show you how that works. So this piece right here is what connects your pinhole jig to another jig. So we just put it in right here like this. And this is an older jig that I have. And I just attach it. And then I'm just gonna put these screws in. So there you go. They're all linked now. And there's this little gap. I'm really curious, and I'm gonna do a measurement to see if they've compensated for this little gap, because it's not flush, to make sure that the spacing is exactly the same. So let me give this a try and do a test, and I'll let you know, because that would be really important to know. Okay, so a question that I had was, is this little gap gonna throw off the rest of the pins? And it looks like it's wider than the space that's in between this. So I did a quick little test, and here's my test. And I have to say, it's evenly spaced, so you don't have to worry. Kreg Jig calibrated it perfectly, and the question has been answered. So now, yeah, this is it. This is how it all works. This is a daisy chain. You could actually have more of these, and it works really well. I'm very pleased with it. I say the only thing that I really don't like about it is that this was a little bit harder to attach than I expected. I wish Kreg Jig could improve the way they attach the mechanism. I felt like I was gonna strip the screws into the plastic, so that made me a little nervous, but overall, I think this is well built. I picked this out of all the other ones that are out there because I like how they have the metal braces for wear and tear, and it's not gonna tear up the plastic when you use this quite often. So there's my thoughts. If you have any thoughts about this, put them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And if you have anything else that I didn't answer, or anything else you wanna talk about, let me know. All right, till next time, I'll see you later. Okay, so I just finished putting in the pins and gluing everything up. You can see here, that's what it looks like after I'm done. This jig worked really well. I'm very pleased with it.